In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Nordvpn on your iPhone using an easy guide that you can follow along in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading over to the Nordvpn website. This is where you'll begin the process of downloading and installing the application, ensuring you can securely browse online with a fast and reliable VPN service. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Nordvpn's official website. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a prominently displayed option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. Logging in ensures you have access to your account, where you can download the necessary files for your iPhone installation. After successfully logging into your account, navigate to the Account Overview section. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Nord account, including subscription details and downloads. While in the dashboard, look for the Download option. It's usually located under the list of available services or applications that Nordvpn offers. Click on this to see a list of compatible downloads. From here, you need to click on the option labeled More Options. This will expand your choices, providing links to various configurations and platform-specific downloads. Among these options, select Nordvpn, as this is the specific service we want to install on your iPhone. In the following step, you'll encounter an option titled VPN Solution for Mobile. Make sure to click on this, as it will guide you towards selecting the correct application tailored for your mobile device, maximizing the VPN experience on your iPhone. Now, you should see a list of options for different operating systems. Since we're focusing on your iPhone, which runs on iOS, look for and click on the iOS link. This will redirect you to a page where you can initiate the download of the Nordvpn app for iPhone. Once the page loads, you'll typically be redirected to the App Store, where you can officially download the Nordvpn app directly onto your device. Proceed with the download and installation, just as you would with any other app from the App Store. These steps ensure that you have the Nordvpn app installed correctly on your iPhone. With the app now installed, launch it and log in with your account credentials to start using Nordvpn. Remember to explore the app settings to customize your privacy preferences and make the most out of your VPN service. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to install Nordvpn on your iPhone in just a few minutes. With this setup, you're now equipped to enhance your online security and enjoy a more private internet browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.